Here's how to remove a Chrome extension marked installed by your administrator or installed by enterprise policy in just 3 minutes. Today I will show you in a step-by-step guide how to remove the policy that is preventing Chrome from letting you uninstall the extension. First, open Chrome and type Chrome://extensions into the address bar. Turn on developer mode using toggle in the top right. Your extension list will now display extra information, including a unique extension ID beneath every installed extension. Find the extension labeled installed by your administrator or installed by enterprise policy, then copy its 32-character extension ID because you'll need it in the next step. Next, press Windows+R, type regedit, and press Enter to open Registry Editor. Then navigate to hkey_machine/software/policies/google/chrome/extension install force list. If you don't find the extension there, also check hkey_current_user/software/policies/google/chrome/extension install force list. You can also use edit, then find and search for the extension ID you copied earlier. After that, locate the registry value containing that extension ID and delete only that registry value. This removes the policy that forces Chrome to reinstall the extension. Once you've deleted it, close Registry Editor and restart Chrome. In many cases, the extension will disappear automatically or the remove button will finally become available. Now, if Chrome still displays managed by your organization, type Chrome://policy into the address bar and click Reload Policies. You'll see every active Chrome policy. If another extension install force list entry still appears, remove that policy as well as before starting Chrome again. If you don't see this option, there's another way. Open Local Group Policy Editor by typing gpedit.msc, then go to Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, Google Chrome, and Extensions. Remove the extension from Extension Install Force list, run gp-update/force, or restart Windows. If the computer belongs to your workplace or school, only your administrator can remove the policy. If the extension keeps returning after you delete it, check Chrome://policy again because another policy or management tool is likely reinstalling it. Once everything is set, the administrator installed extension will no longer be enforced by policy, allowing you to remove it normally, and Chrome may no longer show managed by your organization if no other management policies remain. Following these simple steps makes removing administrator installed Chrome extensions quick and easy.